There's some other cool stuff I want to show you. So let me give you some close-up of those cool stuff. So over here, you can see the temperature. You can set the temperature whatever you want it to be. It also has an eco mode, which is pretty cool. All right, so right here, you kick once, the seat cover goes up, as you can see. You kick a second time, and the actual seat goes up. That allows you to do your business. And if you're done, a step outside, it actually closes by itself. But if you want to force close it, you just kick once, the seat closes, slowly and gentle, and the cover closes. And everything there is trapped, nothing getting out. How cool is that? And now it flushes. You can actually hear the powerful flush going through the toilet seat. Let me now give you a close-up view of the flushing mechanism. I'm going to flush the toilet. You'll see water coming through right here, all the way to the sides, and then going down. Nothing leaving behind, everything is completely gone. And now we have the vent there and the blow dryer. And that's the blow dryer that's coming out. Now tell me that's not cool. It is the coolest toilet I've ever used. There's so much to love about this stuff. Let's try to check out the bidet. Alright, in today's test of the bidet of the HOROW T38P, wow, that is pretty cool. Tell me that's not cool. Right, to avoid a mess, I have a ceramic wrap here. There's the sensor, and I'm going to check out the bidet function. If you want something that does it all, automatic cleaning, massage your butt, hot seat, cold seat, smells amazing, blow dries you, pressure wash you, has a UV cleaning in the toilet so you don't have to touch anything in the toilet, just does it all, the HOROW T38 is exactly what you need. This here is a total bathroom solution. And like I said, don't be scared with the installation. It's a breeze. You can install this in a matter of seconds. The hardest part is getting rid of that old toilet to install the new toilet.